What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we finally get to add more lights to the Cayenne. I ordered the Baja Designs Squadron Sports, the amber lens paired with obviously the Eurowise ditch light brackets. So today I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you guys how to install it. It's not going to be like a step-by-step how-to, but I'll give you an idea of like what I did, and hopefully that helps you out with installing yours. I'm going to show you footage from earlier on in the day where I went over to my buddy Eddie's house. Shout out to Eddie, Anthony, Giraffe, all of them helping me get the ditch lights installed. Huge shout out to Eddie because he helped me route it in the way that it's going to look clean even under all the plastic panels. So I'll show you in the video how we did that. You almost died?
It wasn't too bad. Why are you getting it? Just because you want it? Yeah. I haven't got the booster yet though, at all.
Yeah. And then Anthony was telling me that when you guys were up in Tahoe, I guess his brackets were coming loose.
Oh yeah. I
was like, should we make sure this shit's tight?
Should we put like Loctite on it or not really, huh?
Not even.
Make it tight enough.
I would definitely check him though. Especially when you go to Anza.
That should bounce a lot.
Yeah.
Hell
Just so that
yeah.
they see
I don't even know.
It has to be, no, I think I read it has to be like 75.
Nah, shut up. Because if so, I'm like, oh, right there. Yeah, push it through. All right. That works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Laura, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh. Like a oh.
She's sleeping outside.
So for now, I'm just going to be using the Baja Designs switch that it comes with. Later on, as I add more lights, I'm going to be getting the wireless 4-trigger switch controller. And so let's get right into it. So if you look in the engine bay right now, obviously because the plastic's covering it, it doesn't look like I have any wiring. But you'll look in here. As you can see, we just have the positive wired up, the negatives down here. All the wires are hidden and routed up and through these coverings. You can see all the wires are routed neatly behind here. I have a zip tie kind of holding it for now until I adjust everything. Other cables routed through here, same thing, coming up through this plastic, up and out the back. Overall, super easy install. I'll go ahead and switch the lights. This is how I have it rigged up for now. Next to previous owner had like a passport in here, like a radar detector, but switch, lights on. There you go. But yeah, overall pretty easy install. Shout out to my friends for helping me install that. I can't wait to try it out at night and on the trails. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.